Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about 1962 Plymouth Savoy. One is from basic diecast car, that is Matchbox, and one is from RLC, that is from metalcreation.com. So let's unbox it and let's see how does it look. And here some information about 1962 Plymouth Savoy. And here it comes. It looks really awesome, as it comes with acrylic case with decorative outer box. So let's go much deeper, as 1962 Plymouth Savoy is an classic family car that was popular among drag racers in the early 60s. As this model features a bright green and the black paint scheme and authentic racing decal, making it a perfect addition to any diecast car collection. As Metal Creation has released a 1:64 scale diecast model of the 1962 Plymouth Savoy as part of their Matchbox Collector Series. So if you're interested in, you can purchase the 1962 Plymouth Savoy diecast car from Metal Creation for $25, and it is still available. And let's check a little bit interior. Interior has a much detailing has been done. So let's unbox this, the basic diecast car from the Matchbox, which is in body color is in matte black color, and we can see the difference between the RLC Matchbox and the basic diecast car, as it does not have a real rider wheels, but you can see detail in the tail light and the license plate. So you decide which one you like, whether it is a RLC Matchbox car or the diecast basic Matchbox car. I think I liked both, but the most one is the RLC Matchbox because it's much detail. It looks like a real miniature of the real car. So why was it so special back then? So let's talk about some interesting fact about the car. For instance, the 1962 Plymouth Savoy was designed by Virgil Exner and was available in several different models, including the two-door sedan and four-door sedan and the station wagon. The car was also equipped with the powerful 413 Cross Ram V8 engine, which made it a popular choice among drag racers. And how fast can it go? According to the vintage review by Car Life, the 1962 Plymouth Savoy was equipped with 318 poly V8 engine that produced 230 horsepower and 318 lb-ft of torque. The same review also stated that the car could reach a top speed of 110 miles per hour. As the car was equipped with the large max wedge engine that made it a force to be reckoned with on the drag strip. So let me know in the comment section down below that which diecast car you like, whether it is a RLC Matchbox or this basic diecast car from the Matchbox. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.